just so happens it might be a beach weekend here.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah.
We've really lucked out this September with so many nice summer days, summer-like days. And I think Sunday we could make a run toward 80.
Wow.
So,
Okay.
and the water
Get ready.
temperature is still 60, so we've had this debate. You know, I know for you that's a little chilly, but Amanda and I.
But
Yeah,
I mean,
it could go.
as a Mainer, it's
All right,
doable.
okay. Yeah.
It's not preferred,
All
but
right,
it's doable.
yeah. But hey, late September,
Right,
pretty
that's
good.
very good.
Right? We may have some wave action of our own heading into next week. Not so much this weekend because Hurricane Umberto, now a Category 3 storm, is going to go up between Bermuda and the East Coast. We now have what's called potential tropical cyclone 9 too. I'll talk about that in just a minute. I wanted to show you Umberto though. Look at that eye. It's strengthened pretty rapidly today. Now winds 115 miles per hour. Expected to become a Category 4 storm through the weekend and then curl out to sea south of us, but it will certainly generate some big waves that come our way middle and end of next week. And now there's potential tropical cyclone 9. I thought this might have been a tropical depression at 5 o'clock when they put this out there, but this is actually something new in recent years that the Hurricane Center does. Before it's actually a depression or a tropical storm, they'll put out a track for what is a potential storm, and they think this becomes Imelda during the day tomorrow and then very slowly approaches the South Carolina coast, possibly as a hurricane on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, it's still in this area. So there probably is going to be flooding rain in addition to coastal issues down there. But for us here in New England, even though we got rain yesterday, I've heard from people who have said it'd be good to get tropical moisture. It's not going to happen because this area of high pressure middle of next week is going to move down and block both Umberto and what's likely to be Imelda from coming north. So I think it's dry around here through all of next week. I don't even think we'll get any leftovers as it looks right now. Out there right now, it is very mild, 78 in Portland, 80 in Wisconsin, 60s in the mountains and far north. Couple of very light showers up here. There could be a shower mainly in northern Maine and the mountains over these next few hours, but then that activity dries up tonight. A mild night, and if you remember back to last weekend, we had frost in spots both mornings. That won't be the case this weekend. We'll have lots of sunshine out there tomorrow, and temperatures for most of us that make it into the lower 70s. 72 in Portland and Bangor, 74 in Lewiston. Freiburg hits 76 coming up tomorrow. A little bit of cloud cover comes in tomorrow night, but I don't think we'll see much more than that. Sunday might start out with a little cloud cover, so if you're up at 8, 9 in the morning, it may be partly to mostly cloudy, but the afternoon turns bright and sunny, and it will be warm Sunday afternoon too. We could hit 80 in Portland and Portsmouth, 79 in Wisconsin, 80 in Bangor, and 83 in Freiburg on Sunday. So a warm day if you're thinking of heading out to the fair on Sunday. Here's the marine forecast. Both days this weekend look good on the water. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Tomorrow the wind will shift from the north to the southwest. Lots of sunshine in this 7-day forecast. One thing you will notice is middle of next week when that high comes down to kind of block those tropical systems, it brings cool air from Canada. So we'll go from 80 on Sunday to highs only around 60 Wednesday and Thursday, kind of balancing things out. But as I see it now, the rain, the moisture from those systems just will not make it here. So down south, it could be a real issue, especially if that Imelda, what's expected to be Imelda, slows down over the Carolinas.
It's in a place that's still rebuilding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.